Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do another drink for the nervous system, and this specifically targets anxiety. So it said that fruit and grains can be used to make smoothies that provide nutrients necessary to have a balanced nervous system. So today we're going to make a Sweet Serenity, which is a good smoothie for someone that has anxiety. So the stage of anxiety can be associated with insufficient level of glucose in the neurons. The nerve requires a constant supply of glucose and oxygen, and when one of these compound is lacking, the result is irritability. Someone is nervous and even anxious. So this smoothie, which we are calling the Sweet Serenity, provide glucose that is derived from healthy sources such as bananas, the strawberry and honey, as well as a soluble fiber that regulates the absorption of glucose and other sugars. So furthermore, it's also a good source of vitamin B, especially B6, which is necessary for the neurons to use this glucose. And if that were not enough, this sweet smoothie contains soya milk, a natural light sedative to the nervous system. So a child as well as an adult who wish to combat anxiety or the nervousness will find a good remedy in this delicious smoothie, which can be consumed both in the morning or during breakfast, and even in the afternoon as a snack. So it's a nervous system balancing agent that provides not only the essential nutrients to balance and strengthen the nervous system, but it also helps to fight anxiety and hyperactivity, especially in kids. So it's mostly, if I could advise, it's essential for breakfast, but you can as well enjoy it at dinner time or as a snack during the afternoons. So the ingredients we're going to use are the strawberries. This is a cup of strawberries. We have a cup of soy milk. We have 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 bananas. I'm also going to add grass powder, but I'm going to add a spoon. So it has also its benefit, which I'm going to address in another video. But for now, we're just going to add a spoon of wheat jam. So to make this, I'm going to place all my ingredients in the blender. So I'm going to add our strawberries. I'm going to add the cup of milk. This is soya milk. I'm going to add our honey. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of wheatgrass powder. So if you also have a wheat jam, you can also do 2 teaspoons. So this is our wheatgrass powder. I'm going to just add a spoon like so. Then I'm also going to add our bananas. I'm going to add the bananas to the mixture. So this is to add the 2 bananas. So after I've added all the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and blend this. So I'll just flip this closed, and then I'll go ahead and blend it to get consistent, smooth mixture. So after blending, this is the smooth mixture we have. I'm going to go ahead and pour this into our cup to enjoy. Yeah, so this is our Sweet Serenity, beautiful and efficient for anxiety. You just enjoy this, and if you have any nervousness or if you feel a lot of anxiety, it all goes away.